Hey y'all, hey. So today I'm going to be using this 13 by 6 wig from Wild Angel. I dyed it jet black. I used the watercolor method, so it's like a natural black. It's not too dark. But today we're going to be doing a bust down, and I just wanted to basically do a wig review of this wig because I didn't get a lot of content of like the before other than like these parts right here. But this wig is really good. It was easy to install. If you want more of a parting space, I recommend 10 out of 10. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. I just wanted to bring this short video, and I know I didn't post yesterday, so I got 2 videos coming for y'all, so this is the first one.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China.
And I had to stop it right here, y'all. Y'all see the details? Grab this wig today, okay?
It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, yeah.